Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not installed on the application of Tinder. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will scrolling down until you find this window of Tinder. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us, bell like and subscribe.